Welcome to Blue Pen Land here. Um, okay, so this is basically a calorimetry problem, right? This ice is going to melt, right? And it's going to, I guess the ice will gain heat and the water is going to lose heat, right? Okay. So what you're going to do is you're going to set up for this guy here, okay? You're going to set up Q lost equals Q gained. And it's a little bit tricky because it's got a melting in there, right? Okay, so heat lost is just going to be the water. So the mass of the water, C of the water, right? So we got the mass of the waters right there. C of the water's there, right? And then the delta T of the water, which is this, right? Now, of course, we're setting it up so we want these both to be positive numbers. So you're going to, what that change in temperature is 6 degrees. I think I can go out on a limb and say that, right? Okay. The ice, on the other hand, right, is got to melt, right? So it's going to be the mass of the ice times the latent heat of fusion. Oh, that's what we're trying to find. Yeah, there we go. Okay, so they don't give us the latent heat of fusion, right? So it's going to be the mass of the ice times the thing we're trying to find, right? So this will be latent heat of fusion, right? Plus, and then don't forget this, right? The ice, everything is 12 degrees at the end there, right? So it's going to be the mass of the ice times the specific heat of water times the change in T of the ice, right? So the ice goes from 0 to 12, right? Okay, and then this, we're setting it up so it should be positive numbers, right? So this is going to be the difference between the absolute value of, we'll just say absolute value, right? The absolute value of the difference between 12, 18, right? Okay. So set that thing up there. This is the only thing you don't know, okay, is what that latent heat of fusion is, but you've got the mass. So the mass of the ice, you're going to use 25 grams, right? All right. And then it says if you crush the ice, what's the effect of crushing the ice on the final temperature of the water and the time it takes, okay? And one of these is going to be no effect, and one of these will be some effect. I'll give you that clue. See if you can figure that out. That's a good conceptual question, okay? All right.